Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I eat for lunch in a week. This is going to include all of my lunches from Monday to Friday. So starting in, I have a Yoplait yogurt, and this is the peach kind, and then also a little fruit salad that I just cut up myself. This is strawberry and pineapple, and then the rest of it I cut up so that I can have, is very convenient to take for a snack somewhere, or for the kids to put in their lunches, or just for the rest of the week. And then I also have a salad here. This I just added some cherry tomatoes, pepper, and I think it's vinegar and olive oil dressing, and then also some cucumbers. And then last night Jorge made hamburgers, and so there were a couple of leftover patties, and I'm just having one with it covered in A1 sauce because A1 sauce makes everything taste great. Okay, I'm starting to make my lunch, and the first thing I'm gonna do is start this in the microwave. This is, I've never tried this before, but these were on sale, and I love having quick things for lunch that I could just pop in the microwave or something, like those pasta, the things that are lightly sauced or something like that. So I'm gonna try this today. I hope that I like it. And then I'm gonna microwave this, and then I'm gonna save half probably for dinner tonight. And then this is part of a steak that Jorge made steaks last night. So this is going to be my lunch today. And I'm gonna cut up some cherry tomatoes. I cut these up from yesterday, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put those on my salad, and then cut up an apple. Actually quite a bit in there. This is what I'm going to be saving. I can probably even get like 2 more meals out of that, at least for me. Here's a look at Tuesday's lunch. I always like to have my greens, then have a fruit. So I'm going to be having a cut up apple, as well as all of this protein right here. This is going to be a high protein lunch for sure. And then of course my cup of water. And I am going to be out of the house today, so I went ahead and packed my lunch. All of this is pretty much leftovers. I had this for lunch yesterday, the Southwest mix, and then this was dinner last night. And I, of course, made another salad for myself, some dressing, and then just some cut up oranges and some strawberries, which I had cut up yesterday. So that is going to be my lunch, and that is about it. And here is one more lunch. Today is not Friday. The week that I filmed all of those previous lunches, I did all of them in 1 week, but then Friday I didn't film anything because Jorge and I had gone out for lunch, and I just didn't take the camera with me. So this day I am having a leftover meal that I had with Jorge at the Olive Garden. And this is their like zucchini and squash spiralized pasta with a mix of pasta as well. And it's in a shrimp scampi sauce with some garlic and sun-dried tomatoes. This I got because I thought it would be really good since I love their shrimp scampi there, but I don't think that I would get this again just because it kind of has like a tangy taste to it, and I like the other more. And then I'm just gonna go with a banana today for my fruit, and that is it for my lunches. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope that for all of you foodies out there who love seeing food and everything, I hope this satisfies your desire to see what I eat in a day. This is not something that I usually share just because I don't know, it's not of real interest to me, I guess. I mean, I do like seeing, if I need inspiration for something, I'll go and I'll search the internet for something. But like seeing what people eat, that's not something that I tend to have much interest in. So that's really why I don't share a lot of that on my channel. So I just thought that I would make mention of that. I know that a few of you really like to see that. I don't have a problem sharing it with you. What I would like to do for probably the next couple of months, I'll share a week of breakfasts and then a week of dinners. And then I'm gonna start in on a third Thursday meal. So I want to share with you the meals that I'm going to be making for the third Thursday that I have with my family. I'm going to be trying a new meal each time, and I would like to share that with you all. It's something that we just did this past Thursday and it turned out amazing, and I just had the greatest time. And so that's kind of what maybe I will be sharing with you on the third week or something like that, before the third Thursday of each month. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a backup of these videos already ready, and then that way before the third Thursday of every month I will be able to share it with you, and maybe gives you some inspiration to get your family together, get your friends together or something. Carve out some time, you know, once a month to get together to do this, because it's so nice. And you know, the conversations you can have in that time with one another and spend that time together is just great. And of course, it's always great over a meal. And so that's just something that I thought would be great to add to this, and you know, have that focus. So thank you guys so much for watching again, and until next time, I hope that you all take care and have a lovely day.